Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to use the templates inside Animaker to create your videos. To have a preview of a template, click on the preview option over it. To use it, click on the use option. You are looking at the interface of Animaker. On the right hand side is the scenes section. Scenes are similar to what we call slides in a presentation. As the multiple slides combine to form a presentation, several scenes combine to form a video. On the left you have the library, which consists of all the elements like animated characters, images, videos, music tracks, and everything else you would require to create your video. On the bottom we have the timeline. Within that we have three different timelines, starting from animation timeline, then we have the video timeline, and finally we have the camera timeline. In the center is the workspace, so here's where you'll bring in all your elements like characters, text, images, etc. and you'll be creating your video. Let's edit the template. Let's start with editing the text. To edit text, click on the text in the workspace and start typing in the new text. On the right hand side is the settings tab, where you have options to edit the text. You can change the font style, size, color, and even transparency. With the text selected in the timeline, you can notice a purple colored bar. It represents the duration for which this text is going to be visible. If you want the text to be visible only between specific duration, you can do that by adjusting this purple bar. Right now you can notice that this bar is visible only after the first second, right? So the text will be visible after the first second in the video. Let's have a preview of this. To have a preview of a scene, click on the preview option above the timeline. You would have noticed an animation effect while the text appeared, right? So this animation effect is represented by this pink colored part in the timeline. If you want the animation effect to appear for a longer time, you can extend this pink colored part or reduce its length to make it appear quick. And if you want to change or apply a new animation effect, go to the settings tab on the right side, and at the bottom of it we have two options named enter effect and exit effect. To apply or change the enter animation effect, click on the enter effect option. Now you will have further set of options to choose from. So using these enter and exit effect options, you can apply animation effects to text or any other element present in your video. Let's see how to customize the character.